Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Power BI Desktop for data pipelines with Power Query, full guide step by step clearly. To install Power BI Desktop, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft Power BI website. Locate the download section on the home page. Select the option to download Power BI Desktop. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. This will launch the installation wizard for Power BI Desktop. Review the license terms presented on the screen. If you agree to the terms, click on the Install button to proceed. The installation process will start, which may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the installation wizard. Now, locate Power BI Desktop in your Start menu or Applications folder. Click to launch the application. On the initial screen, you may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account easily. After signing in, you will see the Power BI Desktop interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the ribbon and the report canvas. Next, let's import data using Power Query. Click on Get Data in the Home tab. Select the appropriate data source from the options available. Follow the prompts to connect to your data source. Power Query will open to allow for data manipulation and transformation. Make any necessary adjustments to your data within Power Query. Once satisfied, click Close and apply to load the data into Power BI. Congratulations, you're now ready to explore data pipelines using Power Query in Power BI Desktop. Utilize the various visualization tools to analyze your data effectively. You can save your Power BI project by selecting File and then Save As. This completes the installation and initial setup of Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.